2023 GMC Yukon. With less than 44,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll love this long list of impressive amenities, which include the following: lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, running boards and/or side steps, power driver seat. Visit us to take home the car of your dreams.